This video is intended to demonstrate what a strong suction should look like throughout the entire system and at each injector. Once you begin water flow, the venturi will start to pull the suction, and the airflow should begin to raise up on your SCFH flow meter. Ideally, we're looking for between 0.5 and 1 or above during operation. If we slightly close off the intake, you should see the ball drop, as it does. So we know we have a sealed system throughout most of this tubing. If we want to check the individual injector, we can disconnect the ozone tubing and check at that injector. It should pull hard on your thumb. As we close this back off and tighten the nut, you should see that flow meter raise up once again. If you know for sure that you have a suction at your venturi injector, but you're struggling to get it to register on the gauges and pull the ozone gas into the water, it's possible that you may have lost a ferrule on the compression nut. Let's check it out. Each ferrule contains two parts, and as you can see in this one, we are missing the front part of this ferrule. So look around to make sure you didn't drop that ferrule during installation, but in this case we did drop the ferrule, and we can reattach. And now that we have our two parts together again, we can reinsert the tubing, and that compression nut should allow that ferrule to bite on the tubing and reestablish our suction. If you come across an instance where you have just performed PM maintenance, but you're not getting airflow through the system, no SCFH, and nothing through here, it could be that you forgot to remove the orange caps. These are intended to keep the filter clean and free of debris prior to installation, but they can block all airflow. So make sure to remove the orange caps before you install your filter.